Visitors to Tanzania can experience the culture of the Maasai people by visiting a Maasai village. The nomadic and pastoralist Maasai people are a Nilotic ethnic group inhabiting northern Tanzania and Kenya. When you visit a Maasai village, you will be welcomed by a traditional Maasai welcome performance like the one you're watching now. Adamu is the famous traditional jumping dance performed by the iconic Maasai tribe. The Maasai speak a language known as Ma. The Maasai people, both women and men, mostly shave their head to celebrate rites of passage, such as circumcision and marriage. It's only the Maasai warriors who are allowed to wear long hair, which they weave in thinly braided strands. Maasai society is firmly patriarchal in nature. Amongst the Maasai, the measure of a man's wealth is in terms of children and cattle. The Maasai people don't use instruments when they're singing or dancing. Their music comprises of rhythms rendered by a chorus of vocalists. When the chorus leader starts singing a song, the group responds with the unanimous call-in acknowledgement. The Maasai houses are either circular or loaf-shaped and are made by women. Their villages are enveloped in a circular fence built by the men, and this protects their cattle at night from wild animals.
Okay, so really this is a Maasai house. In Maasai house, the ladies were building houses, but men were going to bush, collect the old material. Then I can take you, then I can take some of material, take it home, collect it, and then I will take it home. So really this house, we have a two bed here for children and here for parents. One was living, we use some address, this is counseling. So actually this house, really we have a place with the fire, so we cook there. Then smoking going outside for a little window.
Okay.
So when we're building, this is natural. When we're building houses, we build for different kind of the tree. Based around, we use acacia, and after acacia, we use grasses, and after grasses, we use cow dung from the cow, and then outside we're going to be waterproof. When it's rain come, waterproof.
Okay.
Some Maasai villages have kindergarten. The children were taught basic maths, English, and Swahili language. The children will go to nearby towns for primary education. The Maasai people are monotheistic, and their god is named Ngai. Today, most of the Maasai people are Christians, and very few are Muslims. The traditional Maasai diet consists of 6 basic foods: meat, blood, milk, fat, honey, and tree bark. Clothing varies by sex, age, and place. Young men wear black for several months after their circumcision. The cloth used to wrap around the body is called shuka in the Ma language. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell notification.